Fiverr Level 2 sellers can run more gigs, unlock higher-priced extras, and usually convert more buyers because the badge signals proven reliability. That badge changes how serious buyers view your profile. It tells them, you've already delivered consistently. By the end of this, you'll know what Fiverr checks for Level 2, and what actually helps you reach it. First, Level 2 is not something you request. Fiverr promotes you automatically during account evaluations. That means your numbers have to stay strong over time. And consistency matters more than one big month. The first thing Fiverr watches is order volume. Level 2 is built on repeat performance. If you've completed a good number of jobs and kept buyers happy, that puts you in range. A single $500 order helps, but $10, $50 orders build stronger account history. That's why consistent smaller work can move you up faster. Next is your public performance. Your ratings need to stay healthy. A few weak reviews can slow promotion. That's because Fiverr looks at satisfaction, not just completed work. If buyers leave 5-star reviews and reorder, that's a strong signal. Repeat buyers matter more than many new sellers realize. Then there's response rate. This stays important, even after Level 1. If messages sit unanswered for a day or two, Fiverr notices. Fast communication keeps your account active and reliable. Replying within a few hours is a safer habit. Delivery rate matters too. Late orders stack up fast. One late order can affect your momentum. If your average turnaround is 3 days, set your delivery window to 4 or 5. That buffer protects your account. Cancellations are another big factor. Too many cancellations can stop promotions completely. Only accept jobs that match your gig. If a buyer asks for something outside scope, send a custom offer instead of forcing it into the wrong package. That keeps expectations clear. Here's what separates Level 2 sellers. They raise prices slowly. If you jump from $20 to $200 overnight, conversions usually drop. Move up in steps. $20 to $35. $35 to $60. That keeps order flow stable while increasing profit. Quick recap. Maintain strong reviews, deliver on time, avoid cancellations, and keep orders coming consistently. That's how Fiverr decides if you're ready for Level 2. Your next step is simple. Check your analytics and look for weak spots before your next evaluation. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Fiverr growth tips.